Hi, it's Kim from Do Creative. I just wanted to show you one of our latest little designs that we've been doing. It's a album in a box. So it's designed to look like a book. That fits nicely on your shelf, your bookshelf, and amongst other books. We've got a little brass plaque on the end. We've got a magnetic opening here. You can use the box for all sorts, whether it's a jewellery box. We've got the instructions there. You can fill it full of cookies or cupcakes and give it as a gift. It just makes a lovely little gift. We've just covered it in plain Basil Basics cardstock around the back and a sheet of the Blossom paper for the front. The little opening has got a little bit of the colour on as well and a bit of accent. So inside we have the Blossom album. I made a fabric tassel out of ribbons and bits of beads this time because I didn't want a large metal hanger obstructing it in and out of the box. So this again is using the Graphic45 Blossom papers. And again, just a plain back on the book. It's designed for photographs or other memorabilia that you want to keep. It's a simple little book to make. So inside we have a front pocket for tags and little tuck spots and photo mats. And then here we have another little pocket here, a little place for your photographs and a pocket there as well. So all the pages are the same. There's little pockets at the back. And then at the back there's another slot for your photos. So we've used the Graphic45 Blossom papers, and I only used an 8x8 pack, although I did use a couple of sheets of plain coloured cardstock just to coordinate with it. If you're looking for the instructions are available on our website to download as a PDF free of charge. We also stock the Blossom and other packs of paper that you might be interested in using it. So there you go, that's our latest little project for you to work on. You can do it at home or you can come and do a workshop with us in the studio when we're allowed to open again. Thanks for watching. Bye.